Hello traders, this is Rich with Breathingwiththemarkets.com. Today is October 13th, 2025. This is going to be a short video. Let's get it. Here we are on Quantara platform with Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. First account up here ending in 2143. Profit was 212. Next account 412. Next account 404. Next account 182. And the last account 112. I didn't have time to trade. Plus I was not in kind of trading spirit or anything else like that due to some medical issues. But other than that, I want to reiterate that a skill will never leave you. It doesn't matter how you're feeling, what you're doing. There are no excuses. I didn't have excuses today that the reason I lost is because I wasn't feeling well. It was raining outside. The market was not good today. All of that shit is bullshit. Let's go ahead and get into another slide. Here we are on the Rhythmic paper performance trading area in Rhythmic. Take Profit Trader up here to the left. The total P&L was $1,364.50. Commission and fees was minus $42, which left me a net P&L for the day, $1,322.50. I had a total of 84 trades, 73 winning trades, 11 losing trades, 86.90 hit rate. Again, that's 86.90 hit rate. I was green on all my accounts. So again, I'm green on all my accounts and I still have 11 trades that say they're losing. So apparently they just fell within the red, okay, which I like, but I know the trading style and I know my hit rate, and it's higher than 86%. So, and it depends on where they open and close and slippage and spreads and everything else, but that's something else to get into that I continue to go over with all the traders at breathingwiththemarkets.com. They are well educated when they go through my program. That is a fact. Today was a great day of $1,322. I didn't push it. I'm not feeling well. I'm just trading the skill. The skill will always be with you no matter what day it is, no matter how you're feeling, no matter how you're thinking. It is learned behavior. I teach learned behavior. When you ask me a question, I show it to you and I prove it to you so you can see for yourself, so you can go back into the charts and look and say, damn, he's right. He's right. It's undisputed. Okay? You cannot dispute what I say. You cannot come back and say, you're wrong. I would like someone to say that I'm wrong. Because why? Because I learn. Okay? If I'm wrong, tell me, and I'll learn from it, right? You understand the movement of the market and how the market moves on a daily basis. It doesn't matter. When I wake up in the morning, it doesn't matter what the market did overnight. It doesn't matter what it's doing at this moment in time. I can see the market. I understand the language. I teach the language. I'm not talking about price action and higher high and a break of structure and PD array and the order block this and this order block's better than that and the fair value gap this, fair value gap that. No, traders, I teach you how to trade. That's what I have this hat for. It's called trader. Okay? Yeah, might look stupid, right? Where's a trader hat? Yeah, that's right. You know why I wear a trader hat? Because I can back it up. You understand? I can back this shit up. I can back what I say up. I can back the mentees up. These mentees are following my direction. And when they follow my direction, it will equal success. That is a fact. I will not allow you to fail. If you just get up and quit one day, I can't prevent that. But on my website, it's no quitting. We don't quit. You don't go out and pay for education and then quit. Okay? Especially with education that I'm teaching you. If you really truly want to learn how to trade and you really want this for yourself, you really want to succeed, come on over to breathingwiththemarkets.com. I will teach you one-on-one. I will personally teach you one-on-one. And then you can also have group sessions with me and the other traders. We don't have them every weekend. It's not going to cost you any money to have a group session. Okay? I'm a man of my word. And I will change your life. I will change your trading style for the better. I will enhance your life. I'm not saying you don't have a good life. I'm not saying that your life is poor and therefore I'm going to change it. Okay? Think about what I'm saying logically. I am going to enhance your trading style to where you're not going to go back to gambling. You're going to see when you gamble what happens. You're going to see when you lose, you're gambling. You're going to see if you go against my system that I have created. I created the system. Okay? Nobody else created this system. I created the system. Okay? I own the system. I created it. And if I created it and it's a skill-based system, then you can learn that system too. And I'm going to teach you that system. I'm going to guide you through those tough days. I am going to keep you on the train tracks. If you really want to succeed in trading, come on over to breathingwiththemarkets.com. If you have any questions or information that you want to, if you want to ask a question or something, hit the contact button and send me an email. If I contact you on the street, or I handed you a card, or I talked to you about trading before through DM or anywhere, just say, hey, identify yourself. Hey, I'm the guy or girl that you reached out to, or I asked you about trading over here. And we'll go ahead and make that connection. And if you're interested, I'll bring you on. I'll bring you aboard. But haters and naysayers and all that, they're not allowed. They're not allowed here. This is not some piss poor organization. This is one of the top organizations, okay, in trading. Trading objectively in the market, period. Not my opinions. My mentees are pulling out payouts. Now, if you have someone that has thousands and thousands and thousands, I don't have time for thousands and thousands of traders, okay? I don't have that time for thousands when people say, oh yeah, I sold a course for $200. I sold a course for $1,500. I sold a course for $2,000. And thousands of people all over the world are making money based on my course. Bullshit. Bullshit. You cannot just watch a video and have the course. I bought those courses, traders. I didn't buy those courses for me to learn. I bought the courses to see what type of education they have. It's very basic education. I'm here to tell you, it is very basic education. And a true trader will tell you, you just can't learn from a video. Okay? You need that one-on-one contact, because every trader's mindset, every trader's bad habits are all completely different. It's not one size fits all. But I'll tell you what, if I show you a winning system and I tell you everything you're doing is wrong, you're gonna wake the fuck up. I guarantee it. I'll wake you up in the first 15 minutes. Okay? Because I'm gonna ask you questions over and over again. You know this? Yeah, I know that. Tell me about it. That's wrong. You know this? Yeah, I know about that. Tell me what you know about it. That's wrong. You know this? Yeah, I know that. Everyone else does this. Okay, tell me everything you know about it. Okay, that's wrong. Next, 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 next. And then I actually show them what is right. How can you dispute it? We can go back 25 years. Ask them, pick a pair. Pick a symbol. Pick a time frame. Anything you want. As much as you want. Anytime you want. Any time of the day you want. Asia, London, whatever. New York, pick it. Let's go. Let's go get it. Let's find it. If you want to learn how to trade and be confident in whatever you do when you're trading, come on over to breathingwiththemarkets.com. I will teach you one-on-one. Risk starts before the execution of the trade, not after. I don't use a stop loss. I don't teach a stop loss. I teach traders how to trade in the market. Period. Have a good day. Peace, traders.